Is makeup bad for you? Can makeup damage your skin? Makeup is an occasional indulgence for many people, while for others, they can't leave their house without it. But is makeup bad for your skin? While in most cases, makeup is harmless, certain products may cause problems for individuals. These issues should not be ignored because if left untreated, they could end up damaging your skin. Skin problems caused by cosmetics. Acne cosmetica is a form of acne triggered by the use of certain cosmetic products. It is linked to ingredients that cause a blockage in the pores and typically presents as small, bumpy pimples. A common misconception is that the makeup physically blocks the pores, whereas actually, the blockage is made of dead skin cells. Irritant dermatitis is another common problem that can be caused by makeup. In fact, it accounts for the majority of reactions to makeup and other cosmetic products. It can occur in anyone, but it's more likely in those with sensitive skin or an underlying condition like eczema. It typically causes an itchy, scaly red rash, but can even blister or weep. Symptoms can occur immediately, but may take weeks or even months to develop with weaker irritants, making it difficult to identify the cause. Allergic contact dermatitis occurs when a person has become sensitized to an ingredient that has been applied to the skin. A red, itchy rash, sometimes associated with swelling or blisters, develops 12 to 48 hours after exposure and may become chronic with ongoing use. The allergens can be very difficult to identify because in some cases, the product is used for months or even years before any reaction occurs. Are there ingredients we should avoid? Fragrances and preservatives are the most common cause of allergies resulting from cosmetics. There are over 5,000 different fragrances used in skincare products, many of which are natural plant extracts or essential oils. Other common allergens include preservatives, lanolin, and sunscreen agents. Preservatives such as parabens are required in liquid products to stabilize them and prevent the growth of microbes. A common misconception is that natural and organic ingredients will not cause allergy irritation. But in prone individuals, these can in fact be quite problematic. Unless you have a known allergy or sensitivity, there are no specific ingredients that you should avoid. But looking for hypoallergenic and fragrance-free products is wise. Those with an oily skin type or a history of acne should also limit oil-based cosmetics. Those with sensitive or dry skin, an underlying inflammatory skin condition, or history of allergy should try to avoid irritants and potential allergens. Foaming agents, astringent products, scrubs, and acids tend to be irritating. Hypoallergenic formulations and those targeting sensitive skin are a good choice. What should I do if I have a reaction? If you develop a rash or skin irritation, the first thing to do is try to confirm the diagnosis. If you suspect you are reacting to one of your cosmetics but not sure which, then ideally, you need to stop using all of your current products in the problem area. You should try to simplify your daily routine, choosing products that have been specifically formulated for sensitive and allergic skin. If the problem settles, you can reintroduce your cosmetics one at a time to see whether you can identify the culprit. It's a good idea to test each one in a small area on the neck or face for a week or two before using it all over the face. If you can't identify your trigger ingredient or find cosmetics that don't irritate your skin, you may need to seek professional help. This will be essential to identify skin conditions and formally test for allergies. Go to your doctor and ask to be referred to a dermatologist for testing. This will get to the bottom of your problem, and hopefully soon you'll have glowing, blemish-free skin. If you liked this video, please subscribe to Better Days, where we deliver fun and informative videos that help you become the best version of you. Till next time, have a great day.